What's up, guys? It's your boy No Chill Chad checking in, and this video is just gonna be something quick. But I had a few people, asking how the new Boost Auto Part mirrors have been going. They want to see like some real time to kind of see what they look like actually on the car. So I finally, I got an event this weekend, car show, and I got the car on the trailer back there. And I'm finally able to use my tow mirrors, for actual towing, not just your daily around town. So I'm gonna give y'all a little preview of what they look like, what I think about them, my first impressions since this is about a 2.5 hour ride. So we're about 2 hours in, and just kind of give you my feedback. But definitely digging them. But I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see what they look like. So it's the right mirror. You see the top one is the closer mirror, and then the bottom one is technically the tow mirror that wraps all the way around. So it's beveled, so you get the entire, you can see the entire side, and then that's the mirror that you kind of see up close. And then same thing over here. Bevel mirror, you can see, and you got your mirror on top, so a little bit closer. But overall, I mean, I love it. I can actually see the entire trailer without having to like lean forward in order to be able to see it. And I can just sit back in my seat and see everything. So, and all the lights, so I'll show you. So you see that, the collision avoidance, that's the turn signal. So, but yeah, man, I just got to give a shout out to Boost Auto Parts, man. These mirrors are awesome, game changer. I definitely needed them, not just for the looks, but for the actual function. You guys see me, I'm always hauling my car. Sometimes I have it enclosed, but 95% of the time, 90% of the time, I got my car on the trailer and I'm going state to state, and these mirrors right here just make it a lot easier. Even when I was like loading the car up on the trailer, backing up the trailer, it just made it a ton easier. When I'm like going around curbs, like into a parking lot or something, I don't have to like lean forward to try to see where like my tires are. Now I kind of just sit back and I can see that I'm, clearing the trailer and not going over all the curves and messing stuff up. So, man, shout out to Boost Auto. If you don't have your mirrors yet, make sure you hit them up. Tell them I sent you. There's a link in this video right here you can click on, and I'm gonna try to get some footage while I'm at this show. But this No Chill Chad checking out. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. Usually I try to put everything, either on my Facebook or my YouTube, so you don't have any questions. And if you do, there's probably already a video or there's probably already something mentioned where you don't have to ask me. But if you have a question that I haven't answered, then, feel free to just hit me up. I'll try to reply to everybody. But you guys have a good weekend. Later.